Hello everybody. It's a nice winter day here, snow everywhere, and of course on the coldest times the hot tub power goes up. First of all, what we do, we go to the breaker, check the breaker, breaker's fine. Then we check the GFI thing, that's fine. Alright, so turn off the GFI, turn off that GFI, flick it off, take your front panel off the hot tub, and what we found was there is a fuse right there. Main fuse, 30 amp, pull it out, it was all burnt out. Could have been a surge in the power, could be the pumps are causing it. We're going to put this new one in. These buggers are hard to find. I couldn't find it at any hardware store. I couldn't find it at I think you can get it on Amazon, but I ended up having to go to a hot tub store and they had them $30 for this thing. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay, put the new fuse in and we got power. So that was the problem. I have no idea what caused it. And I do not like this behind the computer chipboard. There's like these black burnt marks. Like over there. And I don't know if that's from before, because I bought this thing used. Or if that's from now, but the board looks good. It's just that fuse that went. That's it. Put this cover back on and we'll be hot tubbing again. Okay, so this was the fuse that came out of the hot tub. Now obviously that's obvious that it was broken and burnt out. So that was the obvious thing, and sometimes you'll get a fuse that's not obvious, and this is a fuse that I have from another piece of machinery. Looks all good and all, so what you can do is test it by putting your voltmeter on resistance, resistance, and what you can do is touch the two ends of the thing. As you can see on my voltmeter, nothing's happening. There's just nothing happening, and this thing's no good. But you see this good one, this is the spare one I got for the hot tub, brand new. Touch the two, and we got just, you want to be under 1, I think it is, under, so that's 0.01, so that's good. This is good still. So that's a good way of testing these things. And obviously this thing is just like burnt right out, so that's the faulty one.